Welcome back, villagers. Want to be able to plan outings and have happy, well-behaved kids? Well, first I'll tell you why every household should have a sleeping and eating schedule, and then I'll tell you how to do it. I'm Jade, and this is my village. A routine helps children feel secure and comfortable. Change is difficult for them, and a schedule lets them know what's important and what can't be skipped. People, and kids are people too, like to be included in what you're doing and not forced into it. Humans like to be prepared and know when it's time to brush their teeth or to have lunch. Want that munchkin to eat and poop on schedule? Well, you gotta have a schedule first. It'll let them know what to expect. They'll just clean up because it's what happens every day at 5:30. And all the villagers can spend nice, calm, stress-free time with the little angels instead of having to continuously say, do this, do that. If a person isn't tired or hungry, then they are likely to be a much nicer person, right? So always start with those two elements. These schedules, they do vary by age because babies are able to stay awake longer and longer times as they get older. My 11-month-old was tired after being awake 3 hours, so he needs 2 naps a day. Meal times and play times are then centered around that. Your turn. What time does your baby wake up? Mine wakes up at 7, then needs to sleep around 10, and again around 2:30. And I put the toddler down for a nap within 15 to 30 minutes of that time, so I can have a nap too. That 2 under 2 business is no joke. It's always best to nap after lunch when those bellies are nice and full. So now you know what time they will nap every day. Bonus, their tiny bodies will let them know when it's time to sleep at the same time every day. They get tired. It's like magic. Next is meal times. Do they eat in PJs or do they get dressed first? Let's say food's at 7:30. Humans need to eat every 4 hours, so lunch would be at 11:30. Or for a baby, maybe they need milk every 3 hours and a nap every 2 hours. My toddler naps for 2 hours, so we have dinner at 5:30. See how easy this is? Now that meal times are set, you can add in snack times. But be careful with that because they shouldn't have snacks too close to meal time or they might not eat. I give a snack at 9:30 after they wake up from the afternoon nap again at around 3:30. Then you can decide on your bedtime routine. That's in another video. But I start around 7 for an 8 p.m. bedtime. You can also add in wind down times, like I do that before meals, before sleep. We always clean up and put things away before lunch and dinner too. I play a cleanup song. There are no arguments about cleaning. I might also read a book or do a quiet no mess activity, like something with stickers or puzzles or crayons just to slow them down. The in-between times that are left, that can be used for free or structured play or outside time or learning time, and ta-da, you did it! Now that your schedule is made, try hard to stick to it and plan your outings around it because, like with most things, consistency is key. So start at the beginning of life if you can. Then there will never be a dispute about the routine. If your little angel's older, then give them several weeks to get used to the changes. And don't feel that you have to change everything all at once. They can ease into it. These little munchkins will start to expect the routine and they'll even tell you when you've changed something in the routine. No, mommy, we have to read a book first. Okay. Some tips. Remember to add in some relaxing time to everyone's day and be adaptable to fun or unforeseen events just to avoid stressing everyone out with super duper evil strictness. Although meal and sleep times, those should be non-negotiable for all the ages. But remain consistent and fair always. Routine makes life so much easier. My kids know that, oh, the garbage truck is here. It's Wednesday today. They look forward to going to the library on Fridays. So isn't it great to make together quality time that all parties can actually look forward to instead of dread? Yes. So let's start creating those healthy habits now. Hygiene, learning time, eating, cleaning, always they will become self-disciplined. Now let me know your own routines in the comments. Tell me if you have questions, struggles, and hit that subscribe button and the bell to get all the latest helpful videos. Now you can go ahead and watch my next video.